actually filming this through a magnifying lens, and I have my camera set to double size as well. This is the amount of blade that I have showing typically if I'm cutting a pretty heavy cardstock. If I were to be cutting something like a vinyl or just printer paper, I will be winding this blade in still further. This is not something that you see with things like the Cricut or with Silhouette, that type of thing. You want to wind that blade in, because if you don't, you're going to be digging trenches rather than cutting. You'll be complaining that your cuts are bad, that the edges are all wrinkly, that you're cutting through into the mat, that you're doing all sorts of things, and blaming the machine for something which is not the machine's fault. You need to adjust to something which is not something you've been used to, and that's winding your blade in so that you can barely see it. I can literally put my finger over there and I don't even scratch myself. There is that little blade stuck out.